Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see error could not set up Apple Pay, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you need to close your settings of Apple Pay and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, if it doesn't help you too, you can also just try to restart your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.